in the backyard where the grass and spider webs grow up next to us. Say, what's your interest? Tell me how you plan to give up on all of them. Hey, but me